respected Chief Executive Officer Thomas Cook. I am Mrs. Purnima Devendra Bhatt. I joined this Albelu Gujarat tour and my initial experience means the pre-tour formalities are, so far as it is concerned, a little bit bitterness was there because the extent of cooperation which was expected that I did not get. So many times we had to visit, we have hardly any time in Bombay, we are so busy. So in such situation, if we have to frequently visit the office, it is not correct on the part of such a famous tour. So barring that initial period, little option also was given to us that you may collect your money if you, because certain people if you get the visas, our tour was divided and we were given option either to quit or to join another group. That is okay, but then see, when one decides to join a tour, one doesn't want money back. So the cooperation which was required, that was not to the mark so far as the famous group is concerned. Barring that, once we reached the airport, Heathrow Airport of London, we had a warm welcome by the tour manager, and he heartily welcomed us. So at the very first impression at the Heathrow London Airport was so good that at once we felt that we are at home now and we are safe. Then he drove us to the hotel, and that was the beginning. That was very pleasant. The entire from the day 1 to the day 15, we felt homely. Absolutely, there was no problem. We felt very free to ask what we desired. Lot of, though there were guides, lot of information was provided by the tour manager, Mr. Naresh Bhai Dedia. And so beforehand, before we reached to the spot, we were given all the information. So then we could visualize first, and when we reached at the spot, we were amazed, and it was a very pleasing experience, because a lot of information though available on the net, we have hardly any time. So when the bus started, Naresh Bhai updated us and apprised us of the importance of the places. So that added to our knowledge, and at the same time it was easier for us to recognize all the places. So that was very good. So far as the food is concerned, he took each and inch by inch care that what is our need. Sometimes some people were feeling uneasy. So he also made arrangement for tea and coffee, which is very difficult thing, especially the tea is very difficult. But then he managed. So far as the Indian food is concerned, he managed that also. We are all 50 up group, mostly 50 up group. So he took every care to care for us. And then one more thing, that whenever we ask him something, he at once apprised us, at once